We didn't invent the wrap coupling, but with Sidewinder, we've redefined what reliability looks like in demanding applications. Sidewinder is the next generation, high-performance wrap coupling designed for long service life and maximum durability. In industrial operations, from wastewater to food and grain processing, couplings are challenged with misalignment, vibration, and frequent start-stop cycles that impact service life. Traditional wrap couplings often fail at the shear plane, the element's most vulnerable point, where material fatigue leads to uneven tooth wear, element cracking, and potentially costly downtime. Sidewinder's elastomer element absorbs misalignment forces, while core strike technology fortifies the tooth structure at the shear plane, strengthening the area most vulnerable to wear and failure. To demonstrate Sidewinder's performance, we put it to the test. In accelerated life testing at 150% catalog-rated torque and maximum parallel and angular misalignment, Sidewinder lasted on average 2.5 times longer than the competition. And with part-for-part interchangeability, Sidewinder can drop into your existing application without repositioning equipment or redesigning your system. When downtime isn't an option, Sidewinder performs when reliability matters most. Learn more at dodgeindustrial.com.